Unlock English ESL lessons for everyone. Hey there! This is your friendly neighborhood ESL teacher. I'm here to make learning English fun and easy for everyone. Let's dive in and learn together. So, let's get started. I'm excited to learn with you today. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our phonics fun. Let's get ready to learn about the D sound. Remember, we've been learning about different sounds letters make. Can anyone tell me what sound the letter C makes? Right, the sound of the letter C makes two different sounds in English. Sometimes C makes ka as in cat, and sometimes C makes s as in scent. The letter D makes the D sound like in dog, door, and drum. Say the sound of D, D, D with me. D, D, D. Time to echo with me. Repeat these words after I say them.
Dinosaur, dinosaur, dinosaur. Dragonfly, dragonfly, dragonfly. Dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. Donut, donut, donut. Yummy donut. Dance, dance, dance. I love to dance.
Keep thinking. I bet you can find more words with that D sound. Now let's turn the page and get ready to chant.
D for delicious. Da, da, da for delicious. We love to eat, it's so nutritious. Da, da, da for donuts with sprinkles on top, they're so fun. Da, da, da for dinner. Time to eat, it's getting dimmer. Da, da, da for dessert. A sweet treat, it's the very best.
That chant make me hungry. What are some other D words that make you think of yummy things? Let's keep practicing the D sound by diving into some stories. Get ready to hear lots of D words.
The Daring Dragon and the Delicious Donuts. Once upon a time, a daring dragon named Doug lived in a faraway land. Doug wasn't like other dragons who breathed fire and roared. Doug loved to dance and dream of delicious donuts. One day, Doug decided to visit the nearby village. He wanted to buy some donuts from the bakery, but he was too shy to go inside. He stood outside, sniffing the delicious aroma of the freshly baked treats. Suddenly, a little girl named Daisy walked out of the bakery. She was holding a box full of donuts. Daisy saw Doug and smiled. "Hello, Mr. Dragon," she said. "Would you like a donut?" Doug was so surprised. He had never been offered a donut before. He nodded shyly and Daisy gave him a delicious glazed donut. Doug took a big bite and his eyes widened. "This is the most delicious donut I've ever tasted," he exclaimed. Daisy laughed. "I'm glad you like it," she said. "Would you like to come inside and have some more?" Doug was thrilled. He followed Daisy inside and enjoyed a dozen donuts with her. He even danced a little jig with Daisy, his tail swishing happily. From that day on, Doug wasn't shy anymore. He often visited Daisy and the bakery, enjoying delicious donuts and dancing with his new friend.
Now tell me, who are the characters in the story? What did they do? That story was so much fun. We had a great time with the D words. Now let's try something new. It's time to twist our tongues with D tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are just words that is fun to say over and over again. Let's see if we can say them fast and clear.
Debbie's dad's dog doesn't dance. Let's try it a little faster. Debbie's dad's dog doesn't dance. Even more faster. Debbie's dad's dog doesn't dance. Let's try another one. The Dirty Dutch Duchess did a delightful dance. Faster. The Dirty Dutch Duchess did a delightful dance. Even faster. The Dirty Dutch Duchess did a delightful dance.
Yay! Give yourselves a big applause for learning the D sound. Now let's all say "duh" together. Duh! To wrap things up, here are some thoughts to ponder. Simple steps every day lead to big results. Remember, practice makes progress. And just keep going. We've had a dazzling time learning about the letter D. You're all dynamite. Our lesson is done and our time is up. Thank you for having me as your teacher. See you. Did you find this lesson helpful? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ESL lessons to help you on your language journey.